First question, what do you think of France so far?
Oh my God, it's beautiful, it's clean, the people are loving. But one problem I have, the dog do the road. But otherwise, it's friendly and it's loving.
So we're in Valenciennes with my mom. We're just coming from church. And she's saying it's very cold. It's not quite sunny, so unfortunately video calls may not be that good.
I think guess what happened? I was so scared of the bridge. So many bridges. I'm so scared. Water down there, I can't swim.
Okay.
But it's okay so far. Coming in from church, really cold. But I'm doing it. Yay! I'm doing it.
Like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want you to know. Secret start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
Alright, this is the day where we finally stop in Lille. Anyways, what did you think about the croissant and pain au chocolat this morning?
It was great. I used to that in New York, but
And not the same.
they are not the same.
Not the same taste, it tastes different.
Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all
I don't see why she shop in an American store when she lives in New York. Like,
So these are for the
things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secret start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secret start.
so how was the trip up to the Eiffel Tower?
It was great. Really nice. The only thing I didn't go up to the
Last floor.
last floor, but I do the first, the second. It is good.
So slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. I never really know what's going
Alright, so now we're leaving. So how was your stay in Europe or France?
It was great, and thanks for having me.
And what do you think about French people in Europe in general, or the experience?
They're good, they're nice. Sometimes I don't understand their language, they know what I mean.
Alright, excellent.